Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. My name is Michael and today we're going to be looking at 6 tips, tricks and hacks that every biker should know. Stick around. Let's face it, everyone has ridden a bike wearing sneakers before. And yes, it's not a good idea for multiple reasons. But one of the most common things that can happen is the laces can get caught. Not so much of an issue when you're at speed, but trying to stop the bike and not being able to get your foot off the peg is like a cyclist wearing bicycle cleats for the first time and not getting their foot detached off the pedal. If you are going to be wearing sneakers, lift the center laces crossing over the shoe and tuck the loose hanging laces in between. This will keep them from flopping around and possibly getting caught. Have you ever had an awesome decal on your bike that just hasn't held up over the years and now you have to remove it? There's always some sticky residue left over when you pull it and it just won't come off. Now, you can go buy some products that is intended to remove the glue, or just grab your favorite brand of deodorant, soak the area and let it sit for a minute. The alcohol in the deodorant should dissolve the glue and make it easy to wipe away. Repeat the process as necessary. One of the most annoying things when working on your bike is washing your hands after and trying to remove the tough bike grease that just does not seem to come off no matter how many times you wash your hands. I've tried all kinds of soaps, but what seems to work the best is a good brand of dishwashing soap that is designed to cut through and break down food and kitchen grease. Add a pinch of sugar to aid as a type of scrub to help to get the dirt out that's stuck deep inside your skin. Ever ride into a parking garage, get to the boom gate, you grab your ticket, and now you have to juggle between the throttle and holding the ticket in one hand? You never have anywhere to put it. Well, next time you get to the boom, press the button. While you're waiting on the ticket, flip up your fuel tab cover, grab the ticket and place it over the keyhole. Press down on the tab, and now your hands are free and you have full control over the bike riding into the parking area. Just don't forget your ticket when you hop off the bike. Have you ever gone on a nice breakfast run and stopped at a restaurant or a cafe for coffee? It always seems that the nicest places always sit on the steepest hills. Now you have to get off the bike and get it level and have the fear that the bike might roll forwards or backwards, hitting the car that's parked next to you. Keep an elastic band in your pocket for such occasions. Wrap it around the front brake lever, around the handle and back around the lever. This will act as a type of parking brake that will give you the extra sense of relief knowing that your bike won't creep around on its own. Just a moment guys, before we get to that last one, this is a good time for you to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, and if you feel like helping out the MD channel, check the donation link in the description down below. Ever ride your bike into the garage and it turns out that you have a small garage, and now you have to do the dreaded 50-point turn so that you can get the bike into the right spot and facing the right direction. If you've got a sports bike of sorts, here's an easy way to swing that puppy around. With the bike on the kickstand, place your body in the middle of the bike. With your right hand, grab the rear foot peg. Place your left hand on the throttle handle and pull in the front brake. Now with a bit of force, pull back on the rear peg and lift the rear wheel so that the bike is now pivoting on the front wheel and the kickstand. Finding the balance point where the weight of the bike is all now on the kickstand, you can carefully lift the front wheel off the ground as well and start rotating the bike on the tip of the kickstand. This will take a few tries to master and is probably not the best way to turn your bike around, but when you're in a hurry and you don't want to do the dreaded 50-point turn, this is a quick way to flip your bike around. There we go, guys. 6 tips, tricks, and hacks. Yo, that's difficult to say. 6 tips, tricks, and hacks for you guys to use in your everyday bike riding life. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which ones you enjoyed, and if you've got tips, tricks, and hacks of your own, let me know and I'll check them out. I'm Michael, and as always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.